Hello guys, good day to all of you. I am Dr. Riden and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is about my book, the book Ishihara's Tests for Color Deficiency. So here is it guys, I ordered this online and it took me 2 weeks of waiting and it finally has arrived. But before we continue, I'd like to mention or to shout out my members here in this channel, the two of them. We have Forever Young by Colby and also Princess Lin of Singapore. So I put their names in the description box so you may able to connect them immediately. So guys, here's is it. So I asked my friend to order for me since he has a credit card and orders online through ubuy.com, and it's coming all the way, it's from the US of A. So this is testing for color deficiency. Last of my premiere vlog, gene therapy and the 10 amazing facts regarding the eye, I features about the next vlog would be the color vision deficiency. But I'm still waiting for this, so I'm not be able to um, do the vlog of this one. So guys, I'll show you in a quick how does it works and how we do this in the clinic, in the eye clinic. So in the next vlog, in the next few days, my vlog is all about color deficient, color vision, or color blind. So guys, I'll show you. Oh, but before that, I will read you the notice. So this is authentic, so it is not pirated. So this is original one. So according here, the notice, I'll read it through. The principle and basis for the test chart for color efficiency are the quality of the color and the color arrangements. So testing for color efficiency requires a high level of sensitivity and is specificity. Ishihara's test for color deficiency has been used worldwide because of its reliability, and it is recognized for its high sensitivity and specificity in authorized ophthalmology textbooks. The Kai Foundation, was founded by Professor Emeritus S. Ishihara, S or Shinobu Ishihara, the University of Tokyo, Japan. The foundation owns the copyright of the Ishihara's test charts for color deficiency. The foundation has been maintaining this quality and certifies the test's reliability. Imitation products have no scientific basis and might not be reliable, resulting in a high rate of false positives and false negatives. Misjudgment in color sensitivity could be very harmful to examinees. The foundation highly recommends that you do not use imitation or photocopied products, but the original Ishihara's test for the color deficiency. Actually, this is the notice of the reliability of this book. Actually, we have a lot of the online, or you can download it in internet regarding the plates or this book. So downloadable, but this one is the authentic one, the original one, designed by Dr. Shinobu Ishihara in around 1876 or 1879. So more about him in my next vlog. I'll tell you about why he created, what's the history of color vision. So anyway guys, I allowed you to what is this appearance, to take a look. What is it? What's inside? So this, as I told you, this is the most common and most easy, the easiest tool that we have in the clinic to test the patient's ability to to discriminate or determine colors, or his color deficient or color vision ability. So this is Ishihara book. We have a lot. Actually, we have a lot of instruments in the clinic. Aside from this, to determine colored vision, we have the, if I'm not mistaken, anomaloscope, the lantern test, the Farnsworth D15, the muscle color grading, and um, the D15, the Farnsworth, the lantern. So, but this is the most common. It is portable and very handy, easy to administer in the clinic. So here is it. So we allow the patient to cover his right eye. So this is the procedure how we do this test, or how we assess the patient. So we ask the patient to close his eyes, the left eye to examine the right eye in about arm's length or 20 inches, like that. So we flip this one. So this is the first demonstration letter. This is the 12. So it has, the number on the dot, so colored orange in the background of green. So here's it. So we flip this one to the next pages in 3 seconds. So identify what is number, what this number. So you identify what number is this? Right, you got it right. Number 8. And this one? This is 29. So 3 seconds and then flip it, flip it. What is this? What is this? We can rumble it so that the patient might not, memorize it. Maybe the patient bought this one online or something like that and study it before they examine, something like that. And after that, there is a number and there is a crooked path or winding path that we allow the patient to trace it from where it starts and where it ends. So that one, it's composed of 24 plates, and then we examined it another one to next, vice versa, from left to right. So here is it to 24. I use this one actually when I practice in the Philippines. I examine a lot of seafarers, the PNP. This is good for the PNP, the soldier, the architect, the electrician, the electronics, and even the painters. And also this should have this is included in pre-employment. When someone go abroad, they should be fit, and they are qualified, and they can identify color as well. So this is it, guys. So yeah, so finally it's here in my hand, so I can be able to do a vlog regarding eye color vision deficiency. So it is a bit expensive in the Philippines price, but now here it's easy in online, and it's a little bit low in cost compared to in the Philippines. So guys, thank you for watching for this premiere, and watch for my next vlog regarding how to manage color vision deficiency or color blind, quote unquote, and also how to do this one in the proper way, how to administer this in the proper way. So guys, bye for now. Stay safe all, and God bless you.